Welcome to my channel. I'm Magical Maiden, and today I have another jewelry tutorial for you from BB Craft. Some of you might have seen my unboxing and review video from BB Craft that I had for you. If you haven't checked that out, please go check it out. It's on my jewelry tutorial playlist, and below that video in the description box will be all the links to the products that you will be seeing in that video, as well as the links for BB Craft's shop and BB Craft's affiliate YouTube program, so that you could get products for free in exchange for doing a video review. Also, there is a discount code there, so you don't want to miss that. So be sure that you go check that video out, and when you're done, go below in the description box and check out those links and go ahead and check out BB Craft. So today is a jewelry tutorial, and what it's going to be doing is using one of the products from BB Craft that I showed you in that review. So I will be having one each week, the products that I got from BB Craft, in a jewelry tutorial, showing you things that you can make. So I hope you'll join me, and I hope you remember to subscribe and click that notification bell, and keep checking back to see if, in case you didn't get a notification bell, that I didn't upload a video already. So remember to look out for those and check out that unboxing and review from BB Crafts and all the links below. Okay, so let's get started with the jewelry tutorial. Okay everybody, so today's jewelry tutorial, what I'm going to be showing you is a jewelry tutorial with this from BB Craft, the DIY making kit. And what that is, and I showed you, in case you haven't seen the video tutorial, in case you haven't seen the video of BB Craft's products of unboxing and review, where I show you all the products that I had gotten, this is one of the items. This is one of the products that I received, that I chose, and it's a kit. And I chose the kit because it's fun sometimes to have kit. It gives you basically everything you're going to need. Now they give you these adjustable rings. There's 6 of them. Okay, there's round and oval. There's 3 round and 3 oval, and then they give you these faux gemstones. They're not real gemstones, but they look like them. Okay, so you get everything you need, but the only other thing you're going to need for this project is some E6000 jewelry glue, some toothpicks, 1 or 2, some Q-tips, a paper towel of some sort in case you have to wipe off your jewelry glue, in case you have to wipe off the glue, and some rubbing alcohol just when we're done, so we can clean off our fingerprints off of the faux gemstones and give it a nice shine and just clean up. You want to make sure that's what you need. Now the first thing I'm going to do is try to decide what ring that I want to choose for each of these, because all of the round ones are going to fit any round ones, and all the oval ones are going to fit any oval ones. And by the way, all the links to all the products that I received from BB Craft, including this, will be below this video in the description box, along with the link for a discount code and the link to the BB Craft shop. So when you're ready to go shopping, go ahead, click that link and get that discount code with you as well. Okay, so I just wanted to let you know that. Now I'm not really sure. I think I'm going to start with this one. Now they're all adjustable, and on that other video where I do the review, I show you with a ring mandrel that some of the rings open to 8.5, some open to 9 and 9.5, but none go to a 10. So if your ring finger is bigger than a 9 or a 9.5, you're probably not going to be able to fit in these. So I just wanted you to keep in mind, and that's with stretching this one out, because they're adjustable. So I like to wear, you know, sometimes rings on that finger, sometimes on my middle finger. Now one hand's always bigger than the other, You know, I didn't really wear my rings. The only thing I have is my wedding and engagement ring on because I'm doing this project. So for this ring, I needed to extend it almost out. So you want to make sure you know your ring size, okay? So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to look through these and see, I like this setting. Do I want, look, that's a faux tiger eye and it looks so real. It's really nice. Good quality products at a low price, so you can't beat it. Do I want that? So before I glue it, I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to place it, and I'm going to look. Do I like that? Well, let me see. There's a turquoise one. Ooh, maybe the turquoise. But I don't know. Maybe the lapis lazuli or lazuli. I don't know. So it's got to be one of these. And I do have two other round ones that I can choose from. So if I'm not sure, I think the tiger eye looks beautiful in this setting. Okay. So I'm going to see, because each of these rings stretch out to a different amount. So am I going to like that? I think this is the setting for the tiger eye. So I think this is the winner for the turquoise. And then I can go back and choose the other ones. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start getting my glue out. Okay, so I had to get myself some paper towels because, you know, you're going to be working with glue and you're going to want to have something nearby. Okay, so now I'm going to open my E6000 glue. And I'm going to take a little, whoops, I'm going to take a little glue out of it. But first, the first batch I usually take off the toothpick and don't use because it's like the top of it. So I'm just going to get a little bit. You don't need a lot. And I'm going to take the ring blank and just put some, and you don't even need as much as I'm showing you. And then just get it around, wipe off the excess off your toothpick, and then just spread that glue around because you don't want to lose your cabochon, your faux gemstone cabochon. Okay, so now I had chosen the turquoise for this, so here I go. I'm going to put it down. Now I'm going to position it. It fits perfectly, so then I'm going to take it and I'm just going to hold it for a few seconds, and then I'm going to let it sit because it takes about 15 to 20 minutes for E6000 glue to set, but it takes 24 hours for it to cure, so you're definitely going to want to wait before you go wear it. I'd wait the next day, but I don't know if you're getting this, and I'm going to try to put the light. It's a faux turquoise and it has like some veining in it. So it actually does look like real turquoise. Maybe if I shut the light off, you can see the line. And it's really nice. So I'm going to gently, because the glue still has to adhere, put it on my ring finger. Oh, I like it. I'm very happy with that. It's very pretty. And it goes good with that setting. So that's what I choose. So now I'm going to take my ring off. That's beautiful. That looks beautiful. I love that tiger eye. So I'm going to shine these up and clean when it adheres. But I'm going to wait and give it some time for the glue to really adhere before I mess with it, okay? And there you go. So since I got a little glue on the edge, I'm going to take my toothpick. I'm going to take my Q-tip and put a little bit of rubbing alcohol on the tip of this. And then I'm just going to blot it. I'm just going to blot it on a paper towel. Okay. And then I'm just going to go, it'll take all the fingerprints off your gemstone and give it a nice shine. And go around the edge to clean up any glue that might have gotten on there. Look at that. Now I'm going to let that sit. But while I got some rubbing alcohol, I'm going to clean up my fingerprints from the turquoise one. And from this beautiful tiger eye. I want to give it a nice shine. Look how shiny it gets, those cabochons. Such good quality. I want you to see this beautiful tiger eye. Look at that. I love it. Okay, so here they all are. They still have to adhere a little more, and of course I'm going to give them 24 hours for that E6000 glue to dry, but this is what it looks like. Now naturally you can put any combination wherever you want. For instance, if you want that tiger eye on here, do so. If you want the lapis lazuli on here, do so. And if you want the turquoise on any one of them, you can. The same with these. They're interchangeable. They're going to fit. I took a minute or two to decide where I wanted them. They're not all the way pushed down because I'm just showing you, and they've got to still, and the E6000 glue still has to cure. But look at these. Look at these. They're very, very pretty. I'm very happy with them, and it's a fast, easy craft, and you don't need a lot. The kit comes with everything you need. So you'll find it in a kit, and that's on BB Craft, and the link for this and other items and the BB Craft online shop will be below, including the discount code. So if you want to get this for yourself, or if you have a child that likes to do craft, whether a teenager or a little bit younger, you might have to supervise with the glue, but there's no sharp objects that they have to contend with. Or if you find that you have a child that likes to do crafts, when you're doing crafts, you can get them this kit and they can do this. If they're having a sleepover, you can get this, and they can do this with their friends, and they can pick who wants what. I think this is great. Or you can get a few of these for if they're having a sleepover, a little birthday party, whatever. You get a few of these, give them out so everybody could do a little craft. Of course, there's glue involved, so you either want to get some glue, you want to supervise with that, depending on how old they are. But yeah, I love these. I can't wait to wear them. I'm going to naturally wait 24 hours for the E6000 glue to cure. But oh, look at these. Now I got 6 new rings to choose from. So yes, I'm very happy with this, and they are of good quality and low price, so you can't beat that from BB Craft. So go ahead and check out all those links below. Use that discount code MAGICAL5. Everybody, thank you for watching my videos. I hope you enjoyed that, and please remember to give it a like and leave a comment, even if it's just to say hello, if you have any questions, and please share it if you think anybody else would be interested in this jewelry tutorial, and if you think anybody would be interested in this video, as well as leave a comment, even if it's just to say hello. If you have any questions, remember to subscribe and click that notification bell. So I hope to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.